Well, here's a strange little kit. It's a sand timer LED kit. So it comes with a million LEDs, many LEDs, not sure what colour they are, a little chip, and the rest of it are just passive components really, just a little switch, little DC in, a jumper which I don't think I need, that's maybe for reprogramming this microprocessor there, whatever they're called, and a switch which I assume something to do with timing. So not a lot on this board at all, so I'm just going to fast forward doing this and then we'll see what happens with it. Okay, so just before I start this up, I'm going to measure just to check which is positive and which is negative on this. So I can do this in an easy way, I hope. If I set those to beep, phaser's just done, yeah. I've got VCC there, so hoping one of those will trigger, maybe not. And then I've got ground over there. Okay, so this one is ground, so I will assume the other one's voltage. Maybe when I put the chip in there it will work. So ground is that one. So let's mark black that side. So let's hope I can do this relatively easy. So let's do positive on the inside and negative on the outside. Okay, so about 9 volts into there. Not a lot's happening. Of course, I've not got the chip in. Haha, right. Let's sort that out first. Probably a good idea I didn't have the chip in when I was putting that much voltage into it anyway. So here we go. I've got, well, let's just get 5 volts in to begin with. That's always safe. And in we go. Push a button, shall I? Turn a switch. Oh. Oh. Well, I must say that is phenomenally excellent. I wasn't expecting it to do it like that, but how enjoyable is that effect? And it's running on 5 volts. Let's put the voltage up a little bit and just see how bright it gets. Maybe I'll go to about 9 volts. Yeah, definitely 9 volts. It runs on that. Okay. No resistors or anything in this, so wouldn't want to drive it too much. But so that's a sand timer, a little kit. Don't know, about 20 minutes to build, something like that. Quite complicated to put all of the LEDs in. Managed to get them all the way round. None of them are failing. So altogether, what a great little kit.